Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Jeffree Star's new Valentine's Day edition mystery boxes. And I figured might as well bring in my best friend. And that will also help me ease into it since this is my first video. And I promise I will get a lot better. Introvert trying to be an extrovert. Kind of hard. But anyways, let's get to it. But first I need my best friend to pop in. So this is my best friend, Miles.
Howdy.
We're just going to be doing an unboxing together.
The Jeffree Star box, right?
Mm-hmm.
You promised the Jeffree Star box.
Always. It's a Valentine's Day edition.
The box is a Valentine's Day?
Edition, yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
We're pretty excited because we both love Jeffree Star and
absolutely.
We both love makeup, which is great.
Well, I have an interest in makeup. I want to say I love it.
We both love makeup.
I get it.
He knows more than a straight guy should. But let's show the box. Okay.
I tried to do a close-up frame, but the vanity's too bright.
So the thing with these Jeffree Star, it's so hard to get his products, and it sucks.
I know.
We both tried.
Well, her birthday is coming up, and I was gonna try to get her something from the Jeffree Star collection because, as you guys know, that conspiracy line was super popular. I tried to go online. It's been like a month, 2 months since it's been out.
Yeah.
And they're still sold out. I'm just excited to see it.
Well, we don't know what's in here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's the excitement.
Yeah. It could go either way, though. I don't like surprises. I could either really like it or just be like, it's a mystery box.
It's a mystery box.
You never know what you're going to get. He has 3 boxes. He has the premium box, which is this one right here. This is the Jack Dawson of the Titanic. It is the least expensive.
What? You promised me something good. You got the least expensive box?
It was the only one that was left. I had to take what I can get. Beggars can't be choosers. I went on the site and it sold out super fast.
Yeah, well, at least you got one.
Yeah. And, well, it retails for $100. I got it for $72, and it says that there's 4 items on here. One's exclusive.
So it could be the worst stuff you've ever gotten.
That is true. I tried to go for the Supreme, which is the one where it has the most product. It was sold out. Like I said, this is the Jack Dawson. I could not get Rose, but you know what?
No. Let's rephrase this. Okay. This is the Rose. She let him die. There's plenty of room on the door. This is the Rose of the boxes. I don't want to hear nothing else.
You know what?
How dare you? This is not Jack Dawson. Jack Dawson is the best of the boxes. He loved her. He taught her how to spit. He penciled her. This is Rose. Comment below.
But I'm talking about...
You're talking about
economically wise. There we go. So basically, in the ship, this is the cheapest box. And
oh, okay. So that's the people at the very bottom.
Yes, that's the ones that die first.
It's a very dark, sad comparison.
So let's open this bad boy.
All right. Let's do it.
Tell you what, the outside packaging of it, I'm already sold. Like, this is cute. First things first. This is what is in it. First glance. I see a red beanie.
That's pretty cool.
The red beanie.
I'd rock that beanie. I would rock that beanie. I think it's sick.
Okay.
I like the red.
I'll take it out. It has his logo and his name that says Focus.
Focus camera.
We'll take a picture and insert it right here. This is a beanie. I think this has to be the exclusive thing that was talking about in the box.
It's like a really nice beanie though. It's not like a cheapo beanie.
No, I like it.
Wow. No, for real. Like the material on this thing is super soft, super well put together. Looks like it's some kind of patch. I mean, they even did a sew-in patch. You get beanies like this all the time where it's the patch and it's just one of those glue patches. And it falls off within like 2 or 3 months of wearing it. So first item, I mean, that's really cool.
I like it.
I think that's a legit thing.
I like it.
Red beanie.
Can't go wrong with a red beanie. Especially because I wear all black. Okay, the next thing that we see is a Jeffree Star pop socket. You know, it's funny. I do watch a lot of these unboxes. I missed I think it was a Halloween one. I missed the Halloween one. And he added a pop socket on here too. So I wonder if that's like in every mystery box he's going to be adding a pop socket. I ain't mad at it.
Heck no.
These are expensive. These are like $10, $12.
Yeah, if you get it for a good one, absolutely.
Yeah. Plus, I need a new one.
She has Avengers on the back of her phone. She don't watch Avengers.
I do not. When someone says, oh, Jeffree Star.
Try to name 5 Avengers. Go.
I gotta go with Thor.
That's one.
Iron Man. The Hulk. Captain America. Captain America's another one. And I did say Black Widow. So Boom, roasted.
All
so,
right.
pop socket.
Never mind.
We'll totally be using this.
Looks like it's her favorite thing.
So we also have the gloss.
First things first, the packaging on these things
So cute.
is legit.
Like, even if it was a terrible product, which it's not, you're doing an amazing job with packaging.
Yeah.
Called Succulent. Yeah, Succulent.
Good job. Ooh, double unboxing.
Totally. I have a feeling it's pink. It's gonna be pink. Gosh, is this
I don't think I've ever seen you wear pink.
Is this childproof? No, I don't wear pink.
Yeah.
But that's his thing. He's like a Barbie.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Doesn't this give you Sailor Moon vibes?
100%. I like that.
I do too.
All right. Most of the time with this makeup stuff, I get more excited about the packaging than anything else.
Same.
It's just so cool.
Look at this. This is so cute.
I love it.
The packaging is just like, oh my gosh, that's so bougie.
And for lip gloss too, that color is actually pretty nice.
Oh my gosh, it smells.
Oh, it smells so good. It smells like the chocolate palette from Too Faced.
It kind of does. Don't say that. Jeffree Star doesn't like Too Faced. He didn't mean that. It smells really good.
It does.
Okay, so that's 3 items. We have our last one, and I'm guessing it has to do with an alien. Looks like we got the Jeffree Star alien palette right off the bat. Cute box. Love the color. So out of this world, spacey.
That's a huge palette.
Well, that's what she said. All of his palettes are huge.
That's what she said.
All right, let's open this bad boy up. I think this was one of his limited editions because I have not seen it on his website. Oh, and it's in the shape of an alien.
I love that. Let me see real quick before we get into it. Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's actually really cool.
They're gonna get scratched either way. We got a little alien. Of course, it's pink.
Really cool.
Before we look into the colors, I don't think I've ever seen the alien palette before.
I have never seen it. I've never even heard of it.
I haven't either, and that sucks. Where have I been? Living under a rock? I want to say that there's a lot of, since I'm thinking of alien, I want to say green.
Oh, we guessing palette colors?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I want to say green, grays, and because it's Jeffree, he has to put in some transitional shades. Okay. So a couple browns. What do you think?
So you're going typical alien. I'm gonna go with Galaxy. So I'm thinking pinks, purples, oranges, some really sparkly pop colors, some out of this world colors. If you
let's open this baby up. Oh
wow!
Look at that.
I'd say it was a mix of both of what we just said.
We have that purple that you were talking about, yellows. We have some galaxy colors right here too. We have those greens that I was talking about, which is totally alien. And honestly, I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it. I see a lot of cool tones on here, but I do see a mixture of some warm tones. Like I see like the ones that I'm mostly like headed towards are these. The
nudes and the browns.
Because I'm a warm tone. Obviously. I do really like this Area 51 color, purple right here.
I love that purple.
Yeah, it looks really nice. This is really good for like...
I think for the price, it's a really cool palette. It's one of the coolest ones that you have now.
Yeah.
I don't care what anybody says. Maybe the colors aren't your favorite.
They're not my favorite, but...
But the packaging alone, just to have that is super cool.
Of course.
Obviously they're sold out, so there's probably not that many people that have them.
Limited edition too, so it's like...
It might not come out again. I think it's really cool. And if you guys got one out there and you're watching it, you're pumped. The beanie, the pop socket, the really cool lip. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen you even wear lip gloss, but it's super cool.
Yeah.
It's a cool package. This is super cool. I love the palette.
Here's the real question. Without knowing what you're going to get in his mystery boxes, do you think you would get this for your significant other?
100%.
Really?
Absolutely. If he does another one, I would 100% get it. I would try to get the more expensive one because I'm sure he even has better stuff in it.
Oh, hands down, hands down.
Even as a mystery box, you still get really cool stuff that you can be excited about. I mean, there's only technically 2 makeup items in it, which is totally fine.
Yeah, that's what you're paying for a mystery box too.
You can get a palette for that price. You can't get mad at it at all. You can go get a naked palette for $55 something or rather. You can go get a Kylie Jenner lipstick for $25 something. Why not spend $72? You get a lot of especially things from Jeffree Star.
Here's the thing. We don't know how much this palette costs because it's limited edition, unfortunately. So I cannot search it up. But his palettes usually run about $54. So that already there. I spent $72. That's including shipping and tax. Because the box alone was $60. So, what do you think?
I think it was worth it. Yeah. 100%. It was fun doing it.
Yeah.
I think the best part about these kind of boxes is that it is kind of exciting. And, you know, even if you don't like surprises.
Yeah, I honestly, I don't like surprises, and because in my mind I'm thinking, oh, like, what am I gonna get? Am I not gonna like it? I got a palette, I got a beanie, I got a pop socket, and I got a lip gloss for $70, and I got 4 items that are expensive. I can't get mad. I am going to go on Jeffree Star Cosmetics right now on Instagram, and I'm going to see all the stuff that he's tagged in. I'm going to look through if I find any of the same boxes that I got. I want to know what you got. See if it's the same or if it is something different. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Same thing.
Same thing.
The same exact thing. See if it was the same color.
Same color. We have one box that has the exact same thing. Same thing. So that's 2 that I've seen that tagged him.
The alien can wear the beanie. Fab. What's up? Put a little bit of the pink lip gloss. Fab. Looking great. Are you kidding me? I don't care what you say. For $60, everybody getting the same thing?
72.
Whatever. 72 with shipping probably. With everything that you get, good on you, Jeffree. I'm on your side. She's not.
I am totally on Jeffree's side. I'm just saying, after seeing those tags of like those few girls that did get the same box I did and they got the same thing, and I was hoping that, I don't know, this is just me. I was hoping that it would be at least a little bit different. That's just me being like a little like extra picky. I'm happy with the palette.
Haters gonna hate.
I am 100% a Jeffree Star fan, but I can't get mad because all in all, I'm happy with it. I got to wear beanie, the alien palette that's limited edition. Like, come on, limited edition. I can't even see it on his website when I look for it. It's not even there. It doesn't even say sold out. You got something that's limited edition. You got the lip gloss. Not a fan, but hey, I could try it. Or if not, I can regift it because it's a beautiful lipstick.
I don't even wear that stuff. I'll take it.
And then the pop socket, super helpful.
You can't go wrong with a nice pop socket.
Nope.
I love them.
Same. If my significant other got me this, I wouldn't be mad. I'd be excited. If he does this again, the mystery boxes, I will for sure try to get rose status, not jacket status. Thank you so much for doing this video.
Of course, I had a lot of fun. It was really cool. I mean, I was excited to come check it out.
He tried to get it too.
I tried to get it for somebody. Let's make that clear.
And that's pretty much what's going to be going on in this channel since it's completely naked and nothing's on it. I will be doing makeup videos, SFX videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching us unbox Jeffree Star's Valentine's Day edition mystery box. Also, please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed us. Two friends. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out my Instagram page, which is at BONEita Beauty, where I post everyday makeup looks, holiday inspired makeup looks, and also SFX makeup looks. Be sure to tell your nosy tias, your nosy primas, and
all the chisme senora lives out there.
I will see you guys next time. Bye.